everybody, welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have an unusual treat here at McDonald's in Hawaii. It's the Mac Cafe Pie, but instead of having the usual apple pie, it's Haupia pie in Hawaii. What is Haupia pie? Haupia pie is coconut cream inside. So delicious, crunchy outside, little coconutty Haupia chunks on the inside. It's nice and warm. So some things you find in McDonald's that you don't find anywhere else except in Hawaii. So this is a seasonal limited time item. Anyway, check out other items that you don't normally find anywhere else except in Hawaii. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share our YouTube channel, Ladies of Justice League. And if you want tools to save you time, make you more money, go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. All right. Hello, everybody. Have a great day.